nawalan ako ng gana, guys. So, yun ang nafe-feel ko ngayon. Meron namang bahay, nakabili ng bahay, pero si Tommy, tahol ng tahol sa kabilang linya. Hello! Hello! You know what, guys? I've been here for quite some time now. I think it's almost... Oh my god, it's 6 months, guys. I've been here a long time, and it's just nagsisingkin na sa akin, guys, yung loneliness ba, yung parang iba na, guys. Parang feel ko wala akong asawa. Huh? No, yung sa ano ko ba, yung sa dibdib ko, yung sa isip ko, para akong walang asawa na. Magkita kami ni Tommy, parang mag-asawa kami, pero hindi ko ma-explain yung nafe-feel ko ngayon kasi matagal na kaming hindi nagsama sa isang bahay. Iba ang pakiramdam, guys. Parang naano na sa akin ngayon ba na ano na lahat, natibo na ba, parang everything is sink in already na. It's coming na nafe-feel ko na lahat. Yung kalungkutan, yung natakot ako baka parang nawalan ako ng gana, guys. Yan. Kaya nga sa sinabi ko my previous vlog, yung last vlog ko, sinabi ko sa asawa ko na ibenta na tong bahay na to kasi nawala na ako ng gana. So okay lang sa akin ibintang bahay. Kasi para na akong nawala ng gana na ano na kami, parang hindi na kami mag-asawa ba. So yun ang nafe-feel ko ngayon. Meron namang bahay, nakabili ng bahay, pero hindi naman kami nakatira dalawa dito. So, parang yun ang naano ko ba. I want to push him. It's hard, guys, pushing him about the moving thing because he's stressed and everything. Like, the work, he's tired when he's off, and he doesn't have time. Plus, he have to take care of his mother, and he's stressed and everything. Everything, not just that, guys. There's a lot of personal stuff that is stressing. So that's why every time I talk to him, before we fight, we argue about it because why we cannot move. Now I slow it down, and now I'm just gonna go to the flow. If I talk to him, I talk to him slowly, but it end up he doesn't like when I hear it. So I told him we have to slowly doing it because if we finally moved in here, everything hopefully will be easy, and your mom is here, and there's no running around. Lahat ng mga rason, nandoon na lahat para mabenta na yung bahay, para hindi na maglabas ng pira yung matanda para ibayaran ng monthly sa isang bahay. So yun ang sinasabi ko sa kanya, kapag patagalin mo pa ito, yung bahay doon kumakain ng pera, doon sa isang bahay kumakain kasi ng pera kasi palagi mas malaki ang doon, lalo na pag winter. Ay nako, guys, yung gas, yung oil, ay nako, sobrang mahal na, mga libo-libo lagi, guys. Saka so yun ang sinasabi ko sa kanya, bilisan natin, hurry up, kasi kumakain ng pera yung bahay na yun. Hinihigop lahat ng pera ng matanda dahil sa bahay na yun, kasi hindi na si Tommy tumutulong doon. Dito na, meron na kasi siyang bahay. So, ito na yung ginagawa niyang, dito na lahat yung pera ng asawa ko, dito na inano niya, hindi na doon. Sana guys, sana this coming Monday, I'm gonna tell him tomorrow to make a reservation, and for Monday. So, that's it, guys. That's all I wanna share this morning, and it's kinda really, parang akong na-stress ba, parang na ano ako na I'm ready to give up. I'm transferring clips from my cell phone to the laptop, and then suddenly, of course, there's TV, and suddenly I'm thinking, oh, it's so quiet. It's just I'm talking about, like, we're so quiet with the dog. When I look around, the dog's sleeping, Roxy's in the couch in the living room, and Misty's on her bed, and I was thinking, I'm staring at them like. And then suddenly I'm thinking, it's just like, what life of a dog? Like, what is the life of them? Like, what they think, what they do, whatever, whatever the language they talk. And then I'm just like, I'm looking at Misty, and then I'm thinking, what if I'm one of them? Like, what if, I end up like them? Like, I'm a dog. Because guys, the truth is, some dogs are lucky, some dogs are not lucky. Just like human, guys. There is homeless, there is wealthy, there is middle class, there is poor, there is, you know, half like that. So there's billionaire, millionaire, have money, like that. But the dogs, the same thing. They don't work, but the people that adopt them makes them one of them. Like, they take care of them. They've been nice and feed and groomed, and you know what I mean. It's just like us. So I'm thinking, what if I'm a dog? What will my life now? Am I an asong askal, yung the dog that is just everywhere, like in the Philippines, struggling to find some food, and there's nothing that you can do. Some people will freaking barbecue you and eat you with it. In today's video, guys, gagawa lang ako naman ng how to look good in 5 minutes. Okay, how to look good in 5 minutes. And I'm gonna do the timer right now. Where is the clock? Where is the timer? Timer, 5 minutes. Hour. Okay, 5 minutes timer. So, start tayo, ha? Start tayo. I think maririnig nyo kapag tapos na, kasi gumagawa siya ng ingay. 5 minutes only. Okay, now it's started. Okay. Ito lang ang... Okay, I'm gonna use the foundation. Magpa-foundation ka pa, ha? Kahit na ano na. Okay, foundation. Oh, sorry guys. I think the freaking thing. Foundation, okay. Okay, 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay. Maliit lang naman foundation, kasi yung foundation, hindi naman ako mahilig magpa-foundation palagi, di ba? So, ito yon, little bit of foundation. And because I have a little bit only foundation, so I'm gonna add a powder. Yung itong L'Oreal mineral powder ko, ito yan. So, ito yung i-ano-ano ko, itap ko. So, yung timer is 4:08 now. So, ito yun. Para naman sa liig meron. So, na, tapos na. So, pagkatapos nito, yung eyeliner gagawin ko. Wala naman itong eyeliner ko, guys. So, ito siya. Oh, brow liner. Hindi ito eyeliner, guys. Brow liner. Ito yung ginagamit ko na 3 minutes na. So, ito yung ginagamit ko, guys, na... Okay, enough na yan. So, gagawa ako. So, I'm gonna put blush to have something color on my face. Yan. Yan. Something on my face. And pagkatapos nun, I'm gonna contour my nose. Ah, may pa-contour-contour ka pa ng nose. Meron. Yung brush ko, asa na? Andito na. Ano na ba? Okay. Okay, ganito pala yun. Ganito pala mangyari, no? Kapag magme-makeup ka na may timer, ha? Nakakaano. So, yun. May contour na yung nose ko. Okay. At saka, lagyan ko ng, kasi I want something on my eyes to have something nice color in the edge. So, yan. May ano pa ka, ha? Eyeshadow, ha? Kasi gusto kong may ano dito sa inner, not sa inner, sa outer part ng eyes ko, may parang may itim, di ba? So, yun. At saka, yun, ganyan lang naman. So, okay. So, 2:24. And, sige, ano tayo? Sorry, guys. Okay, 2:11. Oh my God, so masakit yung puson ko dito. Ewan ko ba kung bakit sumasakit yung puson ko. So, I'm gonna put lipstick on. I'm gonna put lipstick on. The lipstick that I'm going to put is this. $144. Okay, yung lipstick ko yun. So, pagkatapos nito, I need to add something on my cheeks. This one right here. Kasi gusto ko talagang may ano siya. Hindi naman sobra ito, guys. Long, ito yung resulta. At, ayusin ko lang itong ano ko. I'm just gonna ayos my thing. It's 140. 1:14. So, ayusin ko lang itong brow ko. Para maayos naman tignan, ano. 45 minutes, seconds. Ito lang yun, guys. Para lang, ano. Tapos na. Tapos na ba ako? Tapos na ba ako? Meron pang counting time. So, meron pang counting time. So, ito yung inaano ko, guys. 12 seconds. So, lagyan ko lang dito. Saka, yun, 7 minutes. Done! I'm done. Done! Okay naman yung look ko, guys. Ang nakadiferensya lang, yung lips ko, sobrang, yung lipstick, hindi ko inaayos ng maayos. Kasi kita nyo, kulang dito. Kasi yung line ko, parang mas mataas pa yung line ko sa lips. Dito parang ragidi ang tingnan. So, yung eyebrow ko naman, okay naman siya. Okay naman. Ito okay siya. Ito parang kailangan pa ng you know, art.
Into my eyes, my heart beats like a drum.
And did you guys watch Big Brother? Are you guys watching Big Brother? Kasi ako nanonood ako. And Misty need a shower really bad. And Roxy still smells good because that's my Roxy is. She have a really nice hair. Sleepy. Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy, little head? Are you sleepy, little head? Hi guys, kinain ko na yung lipstick ko, guys. Kasi I had my dinner. It's really good. I love the pasta and the chicken that Tammy made. Oh, Tammy called me, guys. Oh my God, nag-alala si Tammy, guys, kasi inom muna tayong tubig. Oh, Tammy was calling me. 4:30, guys. 4:30. He called the house. And today is my mother-in-law dialysis day. So he called the house. When he called the house, what happened was no answer. So he did call mom's phone. Mom answered and she said she's still in dialysis. She's supposedly be out already by almost 2 o'clock or 2 something. You know, like that. Usually it's 1:30 she's out already from dialysis, but she's still not there. 4:30. So she called mom's phone. She answered. And she said, I'm still here in dialysis. I don't have money for the cab. And so I'm just gonna wait for your sister to... Guys, it's crazy. I'm just gonna wait for your sister to get out from work, which is freaking 7 o'clock. And it's not really far from the house. And alam nyo, yung biyanan ko, guys, ayaw talaga yung mag-ask. Ayaw niya yung manghingi siya ng tulong. Ayaw niya yun yung... Sabi niya yung nga, oh, pwede pa tawagan mo yung taxi. Ayaw niya yung mga ganyan, guys. Bahala na nandun siya. Walang tulog, walang kain, basta kay ayaw na, yun ang nakaano sa kanya, diferensya. Kasi ayaw niyang humingi ng tulong or ayaw niya humingi, ayaw siya magsabi nagpatulong siya kahit maliit na tulong lang ba. So nag-alala si Tammy. So sabi pa ng ina niya, oh, sige, hindi, binaba niya yung cellphone, guys, nilagay niya sa bag niya, guys. Hindi, nagsabi na bye. Si Tammy, tahol ng tahol sa kabilang linya. Hello! Where is the phone? Why you put me in the bag? Natawa ako kay Tammy na loka. Nag-alala pa siya, hindi pa nakipag-usap, binabaan. Hindi naman binabaan, parang nawala sa isip niyang matanda ba na kausap niya si Tammy, nilagay niya lang yung phone niya sa bag niya. At saka nag-alala ako, so tumawag ako. Tinawagan niya ako ni Tammy. Kapag naano yun si Tammy, guys, kapag he's worried, he's always calling me and like talk to me and express his feelings, and that's how he is. And then I get like, oh my God, so like what the frick, it's 4:30 already. She doesn't eat, she need to go to the bathroom, whatever, blah, blah, blah. And so guys, I'm just like, oh my God. So after Tammy, I said, okay, hang up. I called her because Tammy need to go to work. He cannot just keep concentrating calling everybody. So I called the dialysis. They said she already, when I called, because actually when I called them, they said, okay, the cab just pick her up and la la la. So I keep calling the house again for like 20 minutes. I wait because even though it's like, it's not really far, it's just really close. So I keep calling, I wait for 20 minutes. I keep calling the house, call the house, call the house, call her phone. I never give up. Takes forever for her to answer, guys. And then so finally she answered. She said, I'm home. I asked her, did you take the credit card back? Because, you know, she's forgetting. Yun lang, guys. Yun ang balita ko sa inyo. Yun lang. Guys, it's full already, guys. Every 3 colors changing. Slowly, it's changing the color. Did you see? What I'm gonna do is put an oil. This is a vitamin oil to get rid of the scar. But anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I'm gonna brush my teeth and put something on my mouth. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Good night, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Good night.